Here I want to show you how we use the business card scanner feature of the Quick Leads module for even more productivity. On the Quick Leads search screen, go ahead and click New, and then click to scan a business card. Now on a laptop or desktop computer, it's not ideal because you have to actually scan the business card first, save it as a JPEG or a PNG file, and then scan it from here. I pre-scanned a couple of business cards, starting with my own. And it's not a very high quality image, and it's not even straight, but it does a decent job of capturing most of the data. My name came over, first name, last name, title came over fine. Organization name did not come over. It's not going to scan a logo, and that's where our business name is, so I'll have to type that in. Everything else looks pretty good. If I do that on an image that's a little clearer, it does a better job, but still not perfect. Notice the PO box didn't come over. On systems built on the Power Platform, there's actually a special field for PO boxes, and we don't use it because we want to keep things simple, so you will have to type that in as well. Everything else looks pretty good. The experience is even better on a mobile device. If you open up the CRM Plus 365 mobile app and navigate over to Quick Leads, the steps are pretty much the same. You'll click the New button, a blank form comes up, scroll down to the bottom, and click Scan Business Card. And here you can actually take a picture of the card. I'll click Use Photo, and it takes a little bit as it does on the desktop, but eventually the data comes over. Looks just about the same. The company name did not come over any more than it did on the laptop, so I will have to type that in. And just like on the laptop, I can save the record and click the Convert button. Just one more way to help you get data into your system a little bit faster than before. If you'd like more information on how we can increase your productivity, reach out to us at www.p2automation.com.